The concept is similar to how old cars used to function, where you would heat the cabin of the car from heat coming off of the exhaust or the cylinder block when the engine was running. Now, the difference between a high efficiency and an 80% efficient furnace is that a high efficiency furnace has what's called a secondary heat exchanger, and the secondary heat exchanger is where the exhaust gases make their final pass before being exhausted out the exhaust flue. Now, part of the added expense in installing a new high efficiency furnace when you're replacing an existing 80% efficiency furnace is that you have to run a new exhaust, because high efficiency furnaces must be vented through PVC, because if you had a metal exhaust, it would rust out from all the moisture in a high efficiency furnace exhaust.